Ford has updated the 2018 Tourneo Connect and Tourneo Courier people movers once again with new design features, new powertrain options and of course new driver assistance technologies. The new Tourneo Connect comes in standard 5 and Grand 7-seat configurations while the Courier comes only with 5 seats. Ford's Tourneo range of people movers is completed with the recently introduced Tourneo Custom that can fit 8 or 9 passengers. The new Tourneo Connect benefits from a more stylish front end that now features a 5-bar grille which sits higher than before. This is combined with slimmer headlights that house HID Xenon lamps and LED DRLs on higher trim models as well as a more aerodynamic lower fascia and front spoiler. The interior has been upgraded in both the Connect and Courier versions with new trim materials, a revised instrument panel and a floating 6-inch touchscreen for the Sync 3 infotainment system. The company's latest 1.5-liter EcoBlue diesel engine is now an option to the range as well as an upgraded version of the 1.0-liter EcoBoost petrol unit which now features cylinder deactivation, further boosting its fuel efficiency. Ford has also added features like intelligent speed assist, pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, sidewind stabilization and active park assist to the 2018 Tourneo Connect and Courier.